Two fire alarms almost at the same time at the old J.C. Penney store, Columbia Mall, and Qdoba Strip Mall next door at 9:43 a.m. on this Tuesday morning.
Altrin Fire, we have fire alarm activation, water flow alarm at J.C. Penney's 2800 South Columbia. Fire, we have another alarm at 3551 32nd Avenue South. The alarm's going off in every store in that strip building of Qdoba. No smoke.
Again, fire alarms at a couple of different places along 32nd Avenue South on this Tuesday morning. At this point, no smoke showing in either place. We'll keep you updated if anything develops. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNews.TV.